to our channel. Today we do a switch. Peyton will do the videoing and I will be doing the cooking. I will be making sesame chicken with broccoli, and also I am going to attempt to make egg roll for the first time.
Okay, now
I'm putting the chicken in the eggs. Then I will be putting it in the flour. I already washed my chicken with lemon and vinegar. I already cut up all my ingredients to make the video go faster. And the oil, I think it's hot.
let's see. It's hot. Is it bubbling? It's not popping yet, so that's a good sign. And we got this for the egg roll. I being the cameraman for the whole video. So I'm really good at this, guys. So rate me 1 to 10.
I am bad at this.
Yes. So we should probably switch places.
So
okay.
I will be frying my chicken probably twice because we want it to be really crispy.
Look at that pan. So now we have fried like not even half of the chicken. It even looks like half of the chicken. Comment down what the chicken looks like without the sauce. This looks like Chick-fil-A chicken. Like I love Chick-fil-A. And this chicken looks just like it. But we have to still put this back in the...
So for the egg roll, I will be using these ingredients. I've never made egg roll before. This is my first time. I'm not sure if it will come out right. I like cabbage and carrots and I think I make that pretty well. So hopefully with everything combined together, it is good. Well, we did buy that, but I want to make it from scratch. Bean sprout. Only I'll be quiet. Garlic. Just 1, 2, 3. What's up? I'm making egg rolls. Ten more minutes.
So you make it now? Egg roll thing?
Yeah.
Did you want to put egg roll in?
That. Ronaldo, can you take out those, please? So I'm Jamaican and I really don't measure no type of seasoning. I just put seasoning in. So the salt and black pepper, and I really don't like using black pepper. And I don't like soggy cabbage. So I'm not going to cook it until it's cooked. soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little sugar. All this chicken.
I need to get some ketchup.
Can you have some ketchup too? So it tastes good. So I'm just going to drain off whatever liquid is on this. It's not a lot.
I'm pretty much made popcorn chicken.
Ah, how is the chicken? Yeah, it's well seasoned, that's why.
And that could be chicken by itself, like
Okay, just eat it, just like that. She didn't want the sauce on it.
Wait, this is the rice or you frying it?
Huh?
You frying the rice?
No.
Too much work?
Okay. Now I'm going to fill the cabbage into the egg roll wrap. I'm just going to wrap it the same way I wrap a burrito, and I make a lot of burritos because the kids love it. The kids love outside food, and I feel like the best way to give it to them is make it. So I do cook a lot. So I use a little flour and water to seal it. Want to make it burn up?
Oh! Okay, where's the stuff? Do I use this?
No.
What do I use this? How do I use
Now I'm boiling water because I'm going to steam my broccoli for the sesame chicken. We do like broccoli. Again, it can't be soft like the cabbage. It has to be partial boiled or barely boiled, barely cooked. I hear footsteps.
Oh, they look so good.
Yeah, I know, but
What'd you do?
It's the first time when I'm making it.
What'd you do?
I'm so excited.
I think you cheated. Damn, you got
I'm
me.
so excited.
You got me compliment you on camera. You edit that out.
No, why would I do that? I cook for you almost every day.
Yeah, but
You should compliment me all the time.
Can I go to that girl?
Yes. Can you open that duck sauce for me? I don't know how. It's so hard. It's coming out so good. And it actually tastes good because I have one.
Oh.
My God. I'm done buying egg roll. Stop buying Chinese food. No?
I have some home.
You're not holding eating all that sauce today?
I'll go for it. I forgot what it was. Stop water. Water.
Why you stop talking?
She's got my hands all slippery.
How does it taste? I'm all excited.
No, my bucket is
No, broccoli for the broccoli is for the sesame chicken. Don't you like broccoli? Like your sesame chicken?
They don't cook it so.
I'm not cooking it soft. I hate it soft. So nasty.
Not cool. Hold on. Hold on.
Take it to Ronaldo.
Hmm?
Bring it to Ronaldo, see if he can open it.
Hold on, not from like that. This one like this.
Oh. Don't use something wet.
It's done. I might have to smoking off of it and then that. I don't know. Oh, that's what you got in the morning.
Did you open it? Thank you.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to make the sauce and I'm putting in sesame oil. Like I said, I'm Jamaican and I really don't measure ingredients. I just cook, taste as I go to see how it turn out. I'm gonna add the chopped garlic. Ketchup. brown sugar, honey, not too much honey because honey plus brown sugar, ooh, too sweet. Rice vinegar, oyster sauce. I'm gonna try the oyster sauce because I like what it tastes like.
Guys, if you didn't see what happened, the cap came off the oyster sauce and it almost spilled out. And this is what oyster sauce
And
looks
water,
like. Oyster sauce.
soy sauce.
Okay?
Peyton is helping.
And we got
There goes my big helper.
rice water,
And
the soy
let's go.
sauce. Got the honey. Okay?
Yep,
Now it's time for the duckling.
this is good.
That looks good.
It tastes good. I already used that.
You ready? Okay.
That's sesame oil.
And
So now I'm gonna leave it to boil. Hear your footsteps.
okay.
Somebody's coming. Who is coming in?
Stop it. No, stop it. Have your on me too. Go to my kitchen.
So this is the finished look. I'm just garnish it with some scallion. That's what we call it in Jamaica. I know they call it green onion up here or in America. And just dazzle a little bit of sesame seed just for the looks. And that's what it looked like. And we're gonna have that with you. I also go above and beyond, and I got the kids fortune cookie just like they would get it from the Chinese restaurant. Also, I get duck sauce, and like I said, we do like broccoli with sesame chicken. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like I said, this was my first time making egg roll, and they did come out good because the kids finish them all. There's none left, zero. Now I know how the kids like it. I believe I will start making more food for them instead of ordering it when they ask for it. Comment down below, let me know if you will try the egg roll. Like I said, it's my first time make it. I never made it before, and I do love egg roll. And I believe cooking at home is much healthier than outside. We have no idea what they are putting in their food, how long they keep the oil for, and stuff like that. Just let me know if this is something that you would try at home. And I do appreciate. Thanks again, and bye.